Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account in your phone. So first of all we will go into the Messenger mobile application, and after that on the left side on the top you will see an icon of your account. Just click on that and scroll it down and click on account settings, and after that you will see the first option, that is personal information. Click over that, and on the last option you will see to manage account. Click on that, and you will see an option to deactivate. You have to click on that and you have to put your password here. So let me just put my password and tap on continue, and here it will show many options, and just select any one of you, because that is the reason that you are going to deactivate. So I was going to select an option that I have another Facebook account, and just click on continue, and after that you will see many more options, and after that you have to click on deactivate my account. I'm not going to click it because I'm not going to deactivate account, and if you were to do so you can click on deactivate my account, and this will help you to deactivate Messenger account on your mobile phone. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification. So till that time, see you, goodbye, take care.